Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing the device password on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. Then tap Device Passcode. Tap Turn off Passcode. Enter the device passcode and tap OK. Your Kindle passcode has now been switched off. When you unlock your Kindle, you can now simply swipe up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.